What up, y'all? It's your boy Ignit here to help you with Logic, and today I'm going to show you how to find the tempo of the beat in your session. Let's get right into it. All right, so here we go. All right, we got our session, and then when you want to import the beat, there's a couple of ways you can go about it, but the easiest way, I think the most practical way at least, is just go to File, scroll down to Import, Audio File, and then find the file that you're looking for. One note, organize your shit so it's just easier for you to find things. Like, I know a lot of people they have projects and folders in different locations. Like, try to have a central location for all your stuff so you don't drive yourself crazy trying to find it later. It's my little bit of advice there. All right, this is the right one. We're gonna change the rate of the project. So I'm using the Big Body beat. It's a beat that I produced. It's featuring my boy. Well, actually, the song is Gino Rose's song. He killed that shit, and then he gave me a verse to hop on at the end. It's a dope joint, but this is just an instrumental. I'm gonna play it real quick so you can hear what it is, and I'm gonna show you how we can find the tempo for it. Let's go. Yeah, I like that beat a lot, as you can see. Real quick, we'll make this really quick. As you can see here on my instrumental track, I have a template already, and if you're interested in this template, I'll have a link below where you can find it, where you can get to it. But I have a template already. I already have the BPM on there, but let's just say for craps and giggles, what you want to do is on your instrumental track, it's a standard Logic plugin, so everyone has this. You just click on the plugin area, go down to metering, and then they have BPM counter. Stereo's the beat, so we're gonna choose the stereo option. We're gonna press play, let it do its thing. 130 is the tempo. Bam, we should be good to go. I always try to have my tempo sync up, like where I can visualize the first transient. I want to make sure that it's on like 1, 9, 17, 25, or 33. That's just the way that I work, because normally that's like the 1 of the measure, but you could do it however you want to. But yeah, man, that's it. I hope that helps.